Hey everyone, welcome to my basement. In this video, I'm going to be installing a pocket door here, and I'm going to be moving this door to here to block off this hallway. Now the point of this video is that I've never installed a pocket door before. I've only watched YouTube videos, and I'm going to see how good of a job I can do and what surprises pop up by doing this job blind. So I'm going to start by getting rid of the trim, drywall, and the door, and I'll probably time lapse it from here. So I'm going to start by removing all this drywall in sections. I'm going to try to resist the urge to smash it all out. Okay, now I'm gonna go around, remove all my old screws and nails, and I'll probably do a quickie cleanup before I carry on. Okay, so now all my nails are out, all my screws are out. I'm gonna go get the shop back and tidy up this so we can get a good look at what we're working with. Okay, so here's our bare wall. I don't think I need to point out that it's not load bearing. This is all wrong. This is a lot more correct though. So what I need to do is raise the header up 2.5 inches. The door kit says 84 inches framed. So this will go up. I'll extend it the full width. I'll remove that one. Remove basically all of this. I'm going to put a new king stud on this side, and we're going to hope for the best here. Now a lot of my drywall screws are visible on this side. So I'm going to try to get as many out as I can before I start ripping shit out. Yeah, that's good. This whole piece of drywall is not connected now. Beautiful. You just want to wiggle it back and forth. That'll break loose your screws. Luckily, or with any luck, they will pull through the drywall without destroying the face on the other side. Not bad. I'll give you a quick show here. So that's the only one that came through. Oh, there's another one at the bottom. That's not a big deal. I can fix that. Now the fun part, I get to cut around this wire. And I am not going to show you how to do that because I'm not an electrician. Hey, look at that. Wiring's out. What I'll probably do with all of these holes is backfill them with some mud before I put the framing up, just so there's a bit more structure inside there now. So the next step would be cutting all these nails off. Yay! Okay, so for these nails, you can either use your metal blade on your Sawzall, but I also want to try my side cutters. I've cut a lot of nails with these, so hopefully they're not so bad. But I figure I'll start with the Sawzall and we'll see how that goes. Yeah, that's a lot easier than the side cutters. Yeah, doesn't do a bad job, but I'm gonna stick with the Sawzall. I'm gonna get a ladder.